Australia's highest court has agreed to hear an appeal from the most senior Catholic cleric to be found guilty of sexually abusing children. The High Court of Australia says it will weigh Cardinal George Pell's convictions for molesting two choir boys in a Melbourne cathedral 2 decades ago. Emma O'Sullivan from our Australian media partners at Network 10 reports from Canberra, Australia.
The case of Cardinal George Pell will go all the way to the highest court in Australia. He's currently serving a jail term of 6 years. The 78-year-old must serve at least 3 years and 8 months. His lawyers argued there was a miscarriage of justice. They say that believing a victim isn't enough to convict in cases like this, where the whole of the evidence, they say, casts reasonable doubt on whether the sexual abuse actually happened. At trial, a man now aged in his 30s told a jury that he was abused by the then Archbishop in 1996 when he was a choir boy. He said the abuse happened inside a cathedral immediately after Sunday Mass. He said he and another choir boy were abused when them having a look inside a room called the sacristy, a place for priests where they weren't supposed to be. George Pell was convicted of 5 charges of child sexual abuse. He has always maintained his innocence. Prosecutors in the state of Victoria in Australia have always championed the alleged victim as a witness of truth. The defence tried to paint him as a liar. In their application to the High Court, the Cardinal's legal team has said even if the judges of the High Court find the victim to be credible, it was not enough to find beyond reasonable doubt that the abuse happened. So now this will go to a full hearing next year before 5 or 7 judges, and the Cardinal will get another day in court. He is the highest ranking Catholic in the world to be convicted of child sexual abuse. Elaine?
Emma O'Sullivan, thank you.